while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating.
Hi guys, us again. Here we are with our new product. So we just thought we'd do a little video on these. So basically these are, you can see they're the MINIBitz. So we've predominantly made these for sunglasses clips. So obviously they're going to go on your sun visor up there. So obviously that's going to clip onto there so you can see. So basically these are a sunglasses holder. We've had these made, but then we've realised there's a million uses for these. So obviously credit cards, car parking passes. So I know a lot of people put their car parking passes here and then flick it when they get into the car park. So obviously when you get out, as you can see, the little clip is there basically showing your pass off. So these can be used, like I say, for a million different things. Have a look if you've got any better ideas, or you think, you know what, these would be perfect for hanging this on. Like I say, Lauren will demonstrate now with her glasses. So obviously we've got it on the passenger side, just get the glasses and they just clip up there like that. So obviously it's a nice little clip holder for those. Obviously we'll take those off. There we go. So obviously once it's up there, it's nice and thin. Obviously we pull it down and that's the only thing that you see there. Like I say, they can be used for a million things. Like I say, it doesn't matter where you clip it, it can go on anywhere because it's got the flexible hook, if that makes sense. So it will go on literally anywhere. Parking passes, like I say, credit cards. Even if you wanted to add, you know, put your money up there, you can do that and then it's hidden away. There's a million uses for them. Like I say, little versatile little bit of a clip. We're doing these in red and black, so obviously if you wanted a more discreet one that isn't going to stand out, we do them in black as well. So there you go guys.